Okay, it's recording.
What's this? You guessed it? No. You guessed it. I think it's scissors.
Oh, man.
It's like, you don't need scissors. I just rip it off. What's the one you just
Give me that knife so it's over there.
Oh.
Yeah, hold on. There's a knife right there.
Bruin! Bruin!
Is this what you want? You guessed it? No, sit down.
No.
No. No. Give me your paw. Good boy. Lay down. Good boy.
Stay outside, won't bury it.